Hey everyone, I'm here to show you how Tonkean can help you automate your entire legal mailroom. Here's a story you might be familiar with. Say that I work in your legal mailroom and my job is to scan the hundreds of thousands of documents that come in and put it into PDF form right here. Here's an example claim that you see right here, Blake Carpenter. Now, my responsibility as the guy that scanned all this document is to upload this into a Google Drive folder, something like this, mailroom, yeah, SharePoint folder, Google Drive. So let me do that. Let me just drag it over and put it up right there. And then the upload is complete and there is no automation from here. Now it's somebody's responsibility on the corporate attorney team to identify IMG 5833, be able to categorize it appropriately, and then push it down the right path. But with Tonkean, what we're doing is literally listening to this Google Drive folder right here. And as I talk, what we're doing is OCRing the document inside of it, be able to extract relevant text, and then be able to triage it down the right path, down the right flow. So as you can see right here, that file just changed to Blake Carpenter, Alabama, and then poof, it's gone. Okay, whoa, so what just happened to it? Well, let's go over to Tonkean and check out the real-time workspace app. If I refresh the page, I am brought to this mailroom page. And then I'm brought to this list of every single document that I have put in to that Google Drive folder and how it was gone about extracting, and then what percentage of automation it was done in the extraction. And if I see here, I can see that Blake Carpenter, Alabama document, and there's the original file right here, but you could see that it just changed the file to something more descriptive. If I go ahead and click into it, I get more information about that file. I get this little Domino's pizza tracker that says that Tonkean was analyzing this document, and it has outputted it as a partial extraction, and then automatically assigned myself in this case as the reviewing attorney. Here, as the attorney, I'm able to scroll down and see the extracted data that Tonkean automatically got out of this file. And then here I get some more information, the embedding, the preview of this file right here. Let's go ahead and open this up in a new page and really see this information. So here I can see, the claimant's Blake Carpenter, the SSN, the effective date, the office number. Well, with Tonkean, I was able to set up a configuration where I told the LLM to be able to extract the relevant information that I need from my attorneys. In this case, just these 5 fields right here: Alabama, Blake, yeah, effective date, and a new claim. I see that SSN wasn't extracted. Okay, well, LLMs aren't perfect, so let me go ahead and check the document, and I see, 9858, and as the human, I can be able to correct or bring in what was not added by the AI. So, 9858. I do a double check to make sure that the LLM got everything else A-okay, and I'm going to go ahead and say approve extracted text. And what Tonkean does is update the pizza tracker, update it to matter created, and then it integrates into the workflow. So on my corporate team, for example, all claim-related cases have to be created as a new matter. And in this story, we work in Simple Legal. So Tonkean automatically creates a matter inside of Simple Legal, be able to assign it to the appropriate practice area, and then the team does what they do best, which is be able to handle this particular claim. Replace claim with something that is more important to your legal team. Replace Google Drive with a cloud management tool that your team is more familiar with. And you can see what Tonkean is able to do with the power of managing your intake channel, be able to triage it, and then coordinate it out to the right associated systems. And none of this was done with a line of code. This was all done inside of Tonkean's workflow builder, which looks an awful lot like a Lucidchart. So let's walk through this from left to right. You see here that Tonkean is monitoring a Google Drive folder, and then every new document that comes in gets OCR'd. From there, we use an AI tool like GPT to be able to extract the relevant text that we want: the name, the social security number, the effective date in this example. And then we're going to take that data and then do something with it, which is be able to move it to the appropriate folder inside of the Google Drive, to be able to rename the document so a human can understand it more precisely, and then create that pizza tracker inside of Tonkean, and then be able to just give the attorney a one-click approve button, and then automatically create that simple legal matter with all the information that we have extracted from GPT in the extraction case. Well, I hope that was helpful. Feel free to reach out to the Tonkean team if you want to see how we can help improve your particular legal mailroom use case. Thank you.